The diesel glow plug warning light is a critical indicator on your dashboard that monitors the glow plug system, which is essential for starting diesel engines, especially in cold conditions. A solid glow plug warning light has different meanings depending on when it appears. During cold starts, a solid light indicates the preheating cycle is active, which is completely normal. However, if the light stays on after the engine starts or appears while driving, it signals a system malfunction. Flashing warning lights indicate more serious problems. Slow flashing typically means a minor system fault, often related to temperature sensors. Rapid flashing indicates a critical system failure requiring immediate attention. The glow plug system consists of several key components working together. Glow plugs are the heating elements that warm the combustion chambers. The glow plug control module manages the entire system. Temperature sensors monitor engine and ambient conditions. Finally, relays and wiring provide the electrical connections throughout the system. Modern glow plug systems feature advanced technologies including smart glow plug control modules that provide precise heating management, enhanced diagnostic capabilities for better fault detection, and temperature adaptive systems that automatically adjust heating duration based on ambient conditions. When the glow plug warning light appears, begin with systematic troubleshooting. The first step is using an OBD2 scanner to read diagnostic fault codes. Next, perform a visual inspection of the glow plug system. Look for damaged wiring, corroded connections, and signs of physical wear on the glow plugs themselves. Ensure adequate battery voltage for proper glow plug operation. The minimum required voltage is 12.4 volts. Low battery voltage can cause glow plug system malfunctions. Test individual glow plug resistance using a multimeter. Normal resistance typically ranges from 0.6 to 2.0 ohms. Values outside this range indicate faulty glow plugs. Based on diagnostic results, common solutions include replacing faulty glow plugs, replacing the control module, or repairing damaged wiring. Always replace all glow plugs simultaneously for optimal performance. Reset procedures vary by vehicle manufacturer. German vehicles typically require battery disconnection and key cycling. Japanese vehicles often need code clearing and drive cycles. Always consult manufacturer-specific procedures for best results. Following these systematic troubleshooting steps will help identify and resolve most glow plug issues. Remember to always use proper safety procedures and consult professional help for complex electrical problems.